Hi, this is Bhupinder Tube. Very quickly, today I want to show you how to create a thumbnail for your YouTube. It's very quick and straightforward. Let's, without any hesitation, go ahead and start. First, click on File, then click on New. Then I've created here a preset called Thumbnail already, and the size of the thumbnail is this for the YouTube. Please note this down, and you can leave the rest as it is in here. And once you created this setting, you can save this as a preset. Once you save it as a preset, you can give a name to your thumbnail, then click on OK. So we got the background. I have already created a folder for my project which contains the pictures that I want to use in my thumbnail, which you should do as always. So all I need to do is to grab and drag them here, just place them one on the left, then accept if you're happy with the size, which I am. Drag and drop one to the right for download. Adjust the size holding a shift and making it symmetry, and then dragging and then clicking on this, accepting it, and then bringing the next one. I would like to bring into the middle, then accepting it, then selecting this, then selecting the content. Make sure that you could select it by show transfer controls, and then you can make the size smaller so that I can fit on the right. Accept the changes, then select on the download, hold the shift and make this also smaller, then put a text. The text that I suggest to use is Big Noodle Tiling Regular. You can download it from the internet. You don't have it by default in Photoshop, but you can download it for free from the internet. And if you struggle finding it, you can ask me in the comments below and I can share you the link. Just put the title. It looks good to me. I think if you move this a bit higher, it will look better like this. To make it stand out, we can create a border by selecting the rectangular and creating a border like this. If you like, you can change the pattern or make a solid color, but I like the pattern, so I'll leave it as it is. So I keep creating borders around just like that, and one more here. Once you're happy with it, then press Ctrl S to save, give it a name and click on save. Now press Ctrl Shift S, and from the drop down select JPEG and click save. Okay. Now if you go to this folder in the thumbnail, you can see the thumbnail is created, looks quite okay. Now if you go to your YouTube channel and you click on upload thumbnail, select it, go to where you save the JPEG, just select it, and you can see it sits nicely on your thumbnail. Please don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next video.